Hi, Assalamualaikum dan good morning. My name is Siti Nasuha binti Muhammad Rosadi. My metric number is 285346. Today we will discuss the growth and importance of Malaysian semiconductor industry. Since its inception in the 1970s, this industry has transitioned from basic assembly and testing to high-value semiconductor fabrication and design, with key developments like the establishment of MIMOS in 1997 and facilities such as Siltera and Silicon. Malaysian semiconductor sector has become a major driver of economic growth, contributing to employment, export, and innovation. Beyond its local impact, semiconductors are crucial to the global economy, as they are the backbone of technology advancement in areas like artificial intelligence, 5G, and the Internet of Things. The significance of this industry is undeniable, not only in enabling innovation but also in ensuring national security and economic stability. Therefore, examining the policy and regulation and challenges of this industry is essential to maintain its growth and competitiveness in the global market.
My name is Nur Ashira Adira binti Nordin with the number matrix of 286333. So today I will be explaining the market structure for this industry. To begin with, a market is essentially a place where buyers and sellers come together to trade goods or services. It is a vital component of the economy as it is the main drivers of the economic activities. So there are four main types of market structure, which is perfect competition, oligopoly, monopoly, and monopolistic competition. For this study, we focus on the semiconductor industry and its market structure. The concentration ratio or CR4 is used to measure market competition by calculating the total market share of the four largest firms in an industry. This ratio helps us to identify the market structure. In the semiconductor industry, the CR4 ranges from 67% to 72% between 2015 and 2023. So since the concentration ratio is above 60%, this industry is classified as an oligopoly, which means that only a few firms dominate the market. The high concentration ratio also reflects a significant barriers to entry for new firms. These barriers include economies of scale, where large firms can produce at lower costs, making it hard for smaller or newer firms to compete in the market. Additionally, the industry requires a high initial investment, which makes it difficult for new companies to enter the market. So, established firms also differentiate their products through strong branding and innovation, and further limiting the chances for new players. Over the years, the same four major companies have consistently maintained their dominance in the semiconductor industry. This demonstrates their ability to control prices, regulate output, and influence market conditions. Their significant market share and continued success show how challenging it is for new firms to compete and establish themselves in the market. In conclusion, the semiconductor industry has a concentration ratio between 67% to 72%, categorizing it as an oligopoly. The high barriers to entry, such as economies of scale, high investment, and product differentiation, restrict the competition. The dominance of the same four companies over time further reinforced the presence of these barriers.
Okay, thank you. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Adinda Jamarsilia. My matrix numbers is 702598. So in this part, I would like to explain about the pricing strategy. What is pricing strategy? So pricing strategy is a plan that is by business owners by setting the price of their products and service to gain more customer and to maximize their profit. So in this pricing strategy, the company have a strategy to make a set of the pricing and then maximum their profit. So yeah, there is a 10 company that I will explain about the pricing strategy. Alright, I would like to explain about 3 companies in here. So first, I would like to explain about Inari Amarton Berhad. About this Inari Amerton Berhad case means that this investor in this company have a confidence to invest even their relative price is higher than others company to the industry because they know they will give the feedback more profit as themselves to the investor. So yeah, this indicate that Inari has a proven itself to be higher quality product. So in this semiconductor market, they will showing their ability for the set premium price. So Inari Berhad also have a value-based pricing strategy, means that this strategy is determined by the customer perception on how valuable the product or service are based on its ability to meet their needs. Means that it emphasizes on the value on the benefit of the product itself. Inari focus on high value segments, especially for the 5G semiconductors, and they believe that these segments are more valuable as they are more innovative and high demand. So Inari have a high demand, so they also have a value-based pricing strategy. Okay, for the next company, there is Malaysian Pacific Industry or MPA. So MPA having or using competitive pricing strategy. Competitive pricing strategy in MPA is employed to the strategy to the make sure their place in semiconductor and electronics manufacturing industry is secure. So MPA perform analysis on this industry religiosity, so to keep with the market trends, competitive pricing, and the customer preference. For the example, they keep up to the competitors' benchmarking price, so they can adjust the price to their own product. By doing this, it enabled them to compete with other company from the same industry, still maintain their profitability. So they're ready to compare with the another company, and then they always maintain their profitability. Okay, for the last company in this slide is Fitrox Corp Berhad. So in this company have a promotional pricing strategy, means that this strategy is conducted by temporarily reducing the price of the product and service to attract more customer, or upon introducing new products. For the case is about they implement promotional pricing strategy to encourage more customer to buy their customer. To buy their product, so they offer an introductory discount and bundle as the new product with the other product in they already have and offer it in the lower price. So this encourage the customer to purchase the new product by making it more affordable. So in this slide have three companies too. First, I would like to explain about Frontcan. So Frontcan have a segment pricing. Segment pricing is strategy where the company, like one company, charge different price for different customer on the same product. So they operate in various geographical market, including Malaysia, Singapore, and Taiwan. The price that they charge for the same product, it vary depending on the region. So for the next company, there is DNO Green Technology. So DNO Green Technology using competitive pricing approach. So in this type of the pricing strategy is help them to be on the right track in the industry with the rapid technology advance and the volatility of price fluctuation. So this company makes sure that they always engage in international market religiously, track its sales office. So this enables them to be updated to change in the price perspective from the make adjustment in their own price of the product. So for the last company on this slide is Pentamaster Corp Berhad. So Pentamaster Corp Berhad is implement cost-based pricing. So cost-based pricing is about they made corporate supply agreement with their main suppliers. This enables them to get a supply for their product faster and has the benefit of serving in this customer more promptly and efficiently. So moreover, this company give the priority of the product is their materials from local suppliers in Malaysia. So this step also help them to keep their costs managed as they can minimize their logistic expense and avoid currency risk if they need to import material from outside the country. Okay, next is there is a three company also. So first is MI Technovation Berhad. So MI Technovation Berhad use value-based pricing for their pricing strategy. So in this type of pricing strategy is prioritize the quality of the product. So this company always thinks that customer is the first choice. So yeah, they are always take the price to the quality products for the consumer, so they can increase customer satisfaction to be prioritized. Okay, next part, there is Turia Berhad. So Turia Berhad is company based engaged in the business of leasing properties and property management, investment holding, and the provision of management consultancy service. So Turia using value-based pricing. So Turia is focused on the value of the product and service. So Turia also develop extensive customer relationship management system to deliver the best possible service during and after sales. This include regular visit and support at the customer sites as well as instant direct communication with the company engineers and the project owners. Okay, next is KHM Industry is a provide high quality service excellence for customer. So for the pricing strategies, so KHM Industry using the cost plus pricing. So this company is having a semiconductor and technology sectors. Okay, so the last slide of the pricing strategy, there is one company called by GHM Consolidation Berhad. So this company using inter-segment pricing strategy. So this company is a set price and deals between different parts of the company divisions. So GHM used this strategy to monitor each section performance as illustrate the financial performance of every segment. The pricing that is set may negotiate terms where the decision of the price is discussed and agreed by every segment in the company. So moreover, the price are not fixed, a rate can be negotiated. So this enable to the after the pricing based on the every step of the transaction. Okay, for this slide, I would like to explain about what is product differentiation. So, product differentiation is a marketing strategy. So, marketing strategy is used by the company or business to differentiate itself from the rival in the marketplace. So, they make an innovation so they can increase their product to gain a lot of profit. So that's definition of the product differentiation. Okay, so there is three company for the product differentiation. First is Inari Amerton Berhad. So Inari Amerton Berhad is the company in the electronic manufacturing and outsource semiconductor assembly and testing sectors. So for the product differentiation, the company provide DC and RV, also back grinding, flip chip, and other related service. So Inari Berhad combine three business models. So for the marketing strategy, they also using B2B strategy. In this B2B strategy in this company is a build long-term relationship with other business such as technology companies and electronic manufacturing. As one of step or the firm innovation carried out by this company is incorporate data sharing platform and technology automation. Okay, next company is Malaysian Pacific Industry. So Malaysian Pacific Industry is company that investment holding company is over like semiconductor packaging and testing service in addition manufacturing and selling light frames. So for the K geographic is the Asia, United States of America, and Europe. So for the product differentiation, based from the annual report is about they are produced the characteristics by technological change, frequent new product introductions and engagement, change to customer requirement and emerging industry standard and lengthy qualification. Okay, for the next company is Vitrox Corp Berhad. So Vitrox Corp Berhad is the company specialized in design technological products, which is design and developing automated vision inspection system and equipment tester for the semiconductors and electronic packaging industry. For the innovation product differentiation, this company launched the first 3D vision inspection system for semiconductor components. So they also has been building and manufacturing cutting-edge, responsibly priced and creative automated vision inspection equipment in addition to system-on-chip embedded electronic device for the electronic packaging and semiconductor industries. Okay, so there is 3 companies also in here. First, there is DNO Green Technologies. So DNO Green Technology is a business has growing internationally, opening in regional office in the China, Japan, South Korea, India, Europe, and US. And also this company also offers engineering and marketing service, design, develop, buys, and sells integrated circuit chip. And this company also conduct research and develop on the electronic and trade electronic component in order to different its products. And the second company is Pentamaster Corp. So Pentamaster Corp values technology innovation to stay competitive and satisfies the challenges of an increasingly automated world. So this business is committed to sustainable development and integrate ecologically conscious practice into its operation for innovation and product differentiation. Pentamaster Corp is an automation solution provider that specializes in design, development, and production of integrated manufacturing system and automated test equipment. Also, this company is providing service to the number of industry such as electronics, semiconductor, automotive, and medical sectors. Okay, last company in this slide is MI Technovision Berhad. So this company is offering innovative solution in the area of semiconductor testing equipment is MI Technovision Berhad. The company offering cutting-edge automation solution to help improve factory productivity in between developing, producing, and supplying precision test equipment, mostly for the semiconductor sector. Okay, so industry like electronic semiconductor and telecommunication that require high precision production depend heavily on MI Technovision goods and service. So MI Technovision prioritize sustainability for the product differentiation, focus in developing eco-friendly and energy-saving innovation for their line of the products. Okay, so there is Frontcon Corp Berhad. So Frontcon Corp Berhad primarily operate in semiconductor company. So this business provides service to variety in industry, including power production, semiconductor, oil and gas, and the maritime sectors. It also top suppliers of mechanical engineering solution, surface treatment, and semiconductor industry support service. So in this business also offers the engineering service for the innovation of numerous sectors, from production and maintenance at their facility to on-site service to specific project. They provide support capabilities. So this company, Frontcon, wants to be a trustworthy partner for mechanical engineering and precision cleaning service. So next is Turia Berhad. Turia Berhad, for the product differentiation and innovation, is about focus on sustainable development practice such environmentally friendly building design, energy efficient system, and green certification. So Turia Berhad is company that involved in the hospitality and property sectors. So next is KIHM Industry. So KIHM Industry is a semiconductor investment holding company providing burn-in and test service to semiconductor manufacturing in Malaysia, the People of Republic of China, and the United States, Europa, and rest of Asia. So this company is offer electrical testing of semiconductor integrate circuit, asphalt, tape, and real assembly service and electronic manufacturing service, primarily to original equipment manufacturers and original design manufacturers in computing, industrial, communication, and consumer market. So for the product differentiation, this company continuously seeks ways to innovate its service and improve its offerings. Okay, for the last slide on the product differentiation is there is a GHM consolidation berhad. So this company is providing service like manufacturing service, provider sector including automotive, industrial, aerospace, and medical device. So for the product differentiation, this company have two segments. First, electronics, and the two is mechanical product. So in the mechanical product is business unit is have a high precision, high speed, tooling design, fabrication, and producing for microelectronic components and fiber optic products. They also manufacture sheet metal enclosure and other value-added electromechanical assembly for industry such electronic, medical device, and instrumentation.
My name is Nurul Arifan Najra binti Ahmad Nizam and my matrix number is 293481. So now I will explain about total asset. Asset is an integral part of any economic entity, represent resource with the potential to generate future benefits. They can be classified into various types, such as current asset, fixed asset, financial asset, and integrable asset. So now I will explain about the trend in asset growth for 10 companies between 2015 and 2023. This trend offers insight into their investment strategy, market adaptability, and sectoral focus. Among the standout performance, Inari Ametron, DNO Green Technologies, and Pentamaster showcased remarkable growth over the year. Inari Ametron asset increased from 836,683 billion in 2015 to 2,966,752 billion in 2023, a testament to its strategic expansion in the semiconductor sector. Similarly to DNO Green Technologies, grow from 446,179 billion to 1,776,311 billion, driven by head-to-head market demand for semiconductor product. Pentamaster also record impressive growth with asset climbing from 96,554 billion in 2015 to 1,317,889 billion in 2023, reflecting its focus on scaling operation to meet industry needs. On the other hand, companies like Frocten Corporation and Vitrox Corporation exhibit steady moderate growth. For instance, Frocten's asset increased from 389,882 billion in 2015 to 885,424 billion in 2023, while Vitrox expanded from 255,502 billion to 1,166,419 billion. This pattern suggests a balanced approach, prioritizing long-term expansion while maintaining operational efficiency. Some companies such as MI Technovation, KESM Industry, and Malaysia Pacific Industry reveal more dynamic asset trends. MI Technovation, for instance, experienced fluctuation from a decline in 2016 to growth peaking at 1,231,903 billion in 2022, before slightly dropping in 2023 to 1,221,881 billion. Similarly, KESM asset rose until 2018, faced a dip in 2020, and recovered to 485,051 billion in 2023. Malaysian Pacific Industry also saw ups and downs, with its asset peaking at 3,118 billion in 2022, followed by a slight decline in 2023. Lastly, companies like Turia and JHM Consolidation display inconsistent pattern. Turia's total asset decreased consistently from 2015 to 2021, but recovered by 2023, reaching 173,739 billion. Meanwhile, JHM Consolidation showed strong growth until 2022, but experienced a dip in 2023, dropping to 468,319 billion. In summary, these trends reflect the diverse strategy and challenge faced by these companies over the years, whether through steady growth, impressive surge, or fluctuation patterns. Their journey underscores the dynamic nature of the economic landscape. Next, revenue is the money earned from selling goods or service. Known as the top line on an income statement, revenue growth signals a company's success in driving sales and expanding market reach. I will explain the revenue trends of several companies from 2015 to 2023, show their unique strategy and response to global challenge. Let's begin with Inari Amertron, whose revenue increased from 933,099 billion in 2015 to 1,376,042 billion in 2018 by strong demand for optoelectric and radio frequency device. However, revenue dipped by 16% in 2019 and future in 2020, impacted by the USA-China trade war and the global pandemic. Recovery began in 2021 because of semiconductor demand and 5G adoption, peaking at 1,547,899 billion in 2022, before decline again in 2023 due to a weakening optoelectronics sector. Malaysian Pacific industry saw growth from 1,319 billion in 2015 to 1,544 billion in 2017, backed by strategic investment. Revenue dipped during the USA-China trade war, but rebounded strongly, reaching 2,416 billion in 2022. Unfortunately, weaker domestic demand and extended COVID-19 lockdown in China caused a 15% drop in 2023. For Victrox Corporation, revenue climbed from 160,287 billion in 2015 to 394,684 billion in 2018, thanks to innovation like machine vision system and inspection technology. After a slight dip in 2019, revenue surged again post-pandemic, reaching 2,416 billion in 2022, before decline to 244 billion in 2023 due to reduced demand for key productions. Meanwhile, Fofroken Corporation maintained stable growth from 280,570 billion in 2015 to 517,182 billion in 2022, with steady demand from the semiconductor and oil and gas industry. However, a slight drop in 2023 attributed to reduced semiconductor demand brought revenue down to 500 and 149 billion. D&O Green Technologies and Pentamaster showcased resilience. D&O revenue growth consistently from 2017, crossing 1 million for the first time in 2023 by raising car sales and LED adoption. Pentamaster saw steady growth, reaching 691,949 billion in 2023, driven by smart sensor demand and diversification strategy. MI Technovation experienced fluctuation, with revenue peaking at 389,477 billion in 2022, before dropping in 2023 due to weaker global semiconductor demand. For Turia, revenue recovered steadily after challenge between 2015 and 2020, reaching 27,921 billion in 2023, thanks to increased tenancy income. KESM industry and JHM consolidation faced mixed trend. KESM's revenue peaked in 2018 but declined due to reduced car sales and scaled down testing service. JHM consolidation grew steadily until 2022, driven by automotive and industrial segment, but saw a 12% decline in 2023 due to the semiconductor industry slowdown. This revenue trends reflects the unique challenge and opportunity each company faced between 2015 and 2023. Whether navigating trade wars, pandemic, or market shift, their journeys highlight the resilience and adaptability required to thrive in an ever-evolving global economy. Return on asset is a key metric that measures a company's profitability relative to its total asset. It's calculated using the formula net income divided by total asset. A positive ROA indicates efficiency use of assets to generate incomes. Many companies such as Inari Amerton, Malaysia Pacific Industry, Victrox Corporation, Frontline Corporation, D&O Green Technologies, Pentamaster, MI Technovation, and JHM Consolidation achieve positive ROA across all 9 years. This highlights their ability to effectively utilize assets even in a challenging time. Let's begin with Inari Amertron, which maintained a strong ROA, peaking at 19.53% in 2018. However, challenge like economic downturn caused decline, with ROA dropping to 10.68% in 2020. A recovery in 2021 brought it back to 18.17%, but global economic uncertainty in 2023 caused another dip to 10.69%. For MPI, ROA rose from 8.85% in 2015 to a high of 14.36% in 2017, driven by strong chip package demand. However, market slowdown and reduced electronic demand saw it drop to just 3.59% in 2023, marking a significant decline. Victrox Corporation started with a stable ROA of 17.35% in 2015, peaking at 20.25% in 2018. Economic challenge caused fluctuation, with a decline to 10.94% in 2023, mainly due to reduced demand for machine vision system. Frontline Corporation showed steady improvement, rising from 2.44% in 2015 to 16.77% in 2022. This growth was fueled by demand in the semiconductor and oil and gas sector. In 2023, however, the ROA dropped to 14.04% due to a slowdown in semiconductor demand. Next, DNO Green Technologies increased its ROA from 3.94% in 2015 to 9.59% in 2021, reflecting expanded manufacturing capabilities. By 2023, however, ROA declined to 2.6%. Similarly, Pentamaster peaked at 20.62% in 2015, but strategic investment and market challenge led to fluctuation, settling at 10.60% in 2023. MI Technovation experienced significant volatility, with ROA dropping sharply from 41.95% in 2015 to 4.31% in 2023, reflecting change in the global semiconductor market. JHM consolidation show similar pattern, rising to 16.31% in 2017 but declined to 3.05% by 2023 due to industry slowdown. On the other hand, Turia and KESM industry struggled to maintain a positive ROA. KESM peaked at 9.24% in 2017 but dropped to negative 0.65% by 2023, affected by reduced testing service volumes. Turia faced negative ROA from 2017 to 2019 but recovered slightly, reaching to 2.35% in 2023 through improved asset management. In conclusion, the return on asset metrics reveal much about a company's financial health and adaptabilities. While some companies thrive, others face significant challenge. This insight underline the importance of strategic investment, market adaptability, and asset efficiency in driving long-term profitability. Lastly is return on equity, or ROE, is a critical measure of a company's financial performance. It reveals how effectively a company uses shareholders' equity to generate profit. The formula is straightforward, which is net income divided by total equity. Starting with Inari Amatron, its ROE began at 28.08% in 2015 but dropped at 21.60% in 2016. A recovery followed, peaking at 26.18% in 2017. However, challenge led to a decline to 12.94% in 2020, despite a brief improvement to 24.01% in 2021. Economic pressure drove the ROE down to 12.47% by 2023. Nation Pacific Industries showed early growth, with ROA rising from 11.93% in 2015 to 16.82% in 2016. However, it declined to 10.67% by 2019. A surge in semiconductor demand left ROA to 16.58% between 2020 and 2022. Unfortunately, operating challenge in China and higher cost caused a sharp drop to 4.58% in 2023. Vitrox Corporation maintained a steady rise in ROE from 21.21% in 2015 to 25.51% in 2018. A decline followed, reaching 16.51% in 2019. The company rebounded to 23.81% by 2021, but faced another drop to 13.33% in 2023 due to economic slowdown. Procon Corporation ROE climbed significantly from 3.51% in 2015 to 22.99% in 2022, driven by growth in Taiwan. In 2023, reduced sales in Singapore and Taiwan caused a decline to 18.08%, through this remained a strong performance. DNO Green Technologies rose consistently from 6.56% in 2015 to 15.21% in 2021, reflecting strategic growth. However, geopolitical tension caused a drop to 5.05% in 2023. Pentamaster achieved a high of 26.37% in 2016, but global demand challenge led to a decline in 2023. MI Technovation experienced a volatile journey, with ROA falling from 67.17% in 2015 to 4.90% by 2023 due to market shift. Meanwhile, Turia faced negative ROE from 2017 until 2019, but showed recovery, reaching 3.17% in 2023 through improved operations. KESM industry peaked at 13.37% in 2017, but fell into negative territory by 2023, reflecting declined demand for testing service. JHM consolidation, on the other hand, saw increased growth from 19.48% in 2015 to 36.2% in 2016. However, by 2023, the ROE dropped to 4.46% amid market challenge. In summary, return on equity provides valuable insight into a company's ability to generate profit for its shareholder. While some companies demonstrate resilience and growth, others face hurdle due to economic pressure and shifting market dynamics. This trend underscores the importance of strategic management and operational efficiency in sustaining shareholder value.
Good day to Doctor. I am Farini Binti Barudewi, metric number 285595. Today, I will highlight Malaysia public policy effort to boost the semiconductor industry. Public policy serves as a structured framework of regulation to guide industries, including semiconductor, ensuring alignment with national goals. First, the National Conductor Strategy aims to attract 500 billion in investment. Its focus is on fostering advanced environments supported by 25 million in fiscal incentive and training for 60 engineers. This positions Malaysia as a key player in the global semiconductor supply chains. Next, the Promotion of Investment Act 1986 offer incentive like pioneer status with a 70% tax exceptions on extraordinary income and investment tax allowance providing a 60% tax credits over 5 years. It's helping companies offset up to 70% of extraordinary income. Then, the Income Tax Act allows high-tech sector to carry forward unused capital allowance, easing financial strain during long gestation period and enhancing post-pioneer status earnings. That's all from me. My friends will continue to present another two public policy.
So the new Industry Master Plan NMP 2030 is a strategic framework launched in September 2023. It is priority in shaping Malaysia's semiconductor industry, aiming to position the country as a global leader in high-tech sectors such as EV and AI. So by strengthening the integrated circuit design and water fabrication capabilities, it fosters innovation and sustainability, addressing Malaysia's ambition in the global semiconductor value chain. So it aligns with the broader initiative like the National Investment Aspiration and the Industry Forward. It emphasized the strategic investment, advanced technology adoption, and the workforce development to support the semiconductor innovation. It also a collaboration involving MITI, other government agency and private sector stakeholders, ensure Malaysia remain competitive in the rapidly evolving global semiconductor landscape. So for MITI, it acts as a regulatory body that oversees various trade-related regulations, including import and export, that controls in the overall industry development of Malaysia, including the semiconductor industry. They formulate policies and strategies to enhance the competitiveness of the sector.
In conclusion, Malaysia's semiconductor industry has grown significantly since 1970, progressing from basic operation to becoming a major contribution to the country's industrial economy. It's played a crucial role in driving innovation, export and employment while positioning Malaysia in the global semiconductor value chain. Despite its achievements, challenges such as global competition, supply chain risks and stability concerns persist. With strategic policy like the National Semiconductor Strategy and continuous investment in technology and research, Malaysia is poised to strengthen its resilience and maintain its position as a leader in the global semiconductor market. Moving forward, this industry remains vital not only for Malaysian economic growth but also for technological and national security advancement worldwide.